Hey, this is Barry from Barry J, and my husband and I are out here today and we are repotting my fiddle leaf fig. And the gal at Home Depot had such a great idea that I wanted to make sure that I shared it with you. We do not want to fill this entire pot up. This goes down to the floor here. A pot up with dirt because it'll be really heavy and it'll be harder to water. So her suggestion was to cut up a pool noodle and put it down in the bottom of the pot so that these holes can be the drainage holes. What we decided we're gonna do, so we're gonna this is a pot that has drainage, a plastic pot, and we're gonna cut it up and we're gonna put that in here, and then the water should go down the sides and it should also come through these holes here and through the pool noodle. So wish us luck. We're about to repot this